In the elevator at the Partnership Center building, Normandale Community College, Bloomington, Minnesota. ThyssenKrupp Signa4, base lock 2. Interesting, it has an older key switch. Here we go. Someone called it. This one seems pretty busy. I think the rear door is actually gonna open. Nope. Okay, sorry about that. Let's go down G. It might actually be going up. Let's see what happens. It's probably gonna go down. Yep. Here's your COP, 400-pound capacity. ThyssenKrupp Signa4 buttons. That's newer traditional. 88 phone. Basic cab. This runs okay. See? There's a directory of this building. I've seen better Signa4s, but I've seen worse as well. Again, it's interesting this has a Dover key switch for an over TK. I'll run down here. There it goes. And